can see someone's tail. It's like an armadillo hole. And there he is, right over there. So we're going to go ahead and keep pushing down the senderos and paths and seeing if we can't find some cottontail rabbits for us to go ahead and make a meal out of. So tag along with us as we do a little bit of bow hunting. You're going to have to switch places with me. I'm going to sneak up. That is a bunny rabbit up there. Alright, that's a long shot, but let's see if I can hit it. Trying to get my bow lined up, but the camera is pushing off to the side. So I do apologize for not being able to get the shot. Looks like there's a couple of them. Let's go down this way. Sure. He's too far away. It's a good try. We got him. Watch out for snakes. The arrow's still in him?
Oh yeah, I see his guts. Yep, he's a boy. He's a boy.
Yeah.
He's a boy.
Nailed him. That was like a 35-yard shot with the recurve. That was a hard.
Dang, yeah, you. Let's head back home. That's our first shot of the day.
We'll take it.
Yeah, first shot of the day. So check the teeth.
I gotta check the teeth.
Hey girl, look.
All right.
Yeah, look at him. He's beautiful.
Nice bunny.
What do we need to do first?
Well, I usually want to use my skinning knife. This is where the majority of the meat is on these little bunnies. So you want to break that socket that's on the end of their thigh. And we'll just cut all our way around. Pull that off. Got a nice little ham. Repeat the process on the other side. Carefully cut along the spine. Come along here on the inside. Right on the groin. Start pulling it back. You see that socket right there? And literally you can just twist and pull off. Got another beautiful looking thigh. Perfect. Pull the extra little pockets of fat out. And this is a nice little bundle of meat right here. So good time to go ahead and trim the silver skin off the back. Just peel it off, trash it. Cut down the middle. We'll break this. Leave that intact. Then you got these two pieces. Put them in some nice fresh cold water. Rinse them out real good. Now we need to put some seasoning in here. So first we'll put some olive oil, which is important. Old Bay seasoning sounds pretty good. Let's go ahead and toss some of that in. I love me some Old Bays. Now we just need to get some more spicy seasoning. Here's a funny one for you. T-Coons, the stuff. This is an all-purpose seasoning. Put a little bit of that in there. Next, we'll hit it with some peppercorn melody. And just a little bit of Mediterranean sea salt. Gotta have a little Worcestershire sauce. This stuff is a key ingredient. Voila. Shake that up and get it in the refrigerator. Now we'll go ahead and get our fire nice and hot, and we'll drop a grate on top of this bad boy here in a minute, and we'll go ahead and sear some wabbit. There you can see, giving it a nice cook on both sides. And this stuff is tasty. That mesquite wood puts a good flavor on it, and you really can't beat this stuff. It's seasoned to perfection, makes for a nice tasty meal. Can't go wrong with some cottontail rabbit. But I'll leave it at this, guys. Appreciate y'all watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you can. Comment, like, subscribe, all those good things, and we will see y'all on the next video. Take care.